Well, welcome back to Channel 1. I'm going to be revisiting the little coupe that I did a few years back. Basically what I'm thinking about doing is keeping the hood shut on this, bringing the wheels down and putting some treads on them. The pattern that I used, I'm going to maybe possibly stretch the nose a little bit and maybe bring the back end out as well. So just going to go ahead and play around with it. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh yeah, that came out real well. You may have noticed when I was putting the rear spare tire on, I forgot to turn it down and put the treads on, so I had to take that back off and put all 5 of them in the lathe and put the tread on. So lengthening the front and the back ever so slightly really made a big difference as well. And obviously the polyurethane really kind of makes that shine a lot. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this, and stay tuned for the next one.